Have you ever gone to the market and seen strawberries selling like gold? Today I'll show you how to wash and store them properly when you buy in bulk and how to enjoy them all year round, even when prices skyrocket. Trust me, you want to watch this till the end. Let me tell you a short story. A friend once told me her experience. She said, one year, strawberries disappeared from my kitchen for months because they became unaffordable. Then one random day, I saw them everywhere, baskets full, sellers shouting the prices all over the place. I bought just one small pack, went home happy, only to return 2 weeks later and discover the prices have tripled. That day I told myself, never again. Next time strawberries are cheap, I'm buying like a farmer's wife. Yes, that was her experience, and that was how her bulk buying and storage journey started. And the best season is between November to March, and the peak surplus period is between December and February. During this period, prices are cheaper, fruits are fresher, you can buy baskets or large bowls. This is the time I buy in bulk because I already know what's coming later in the year. Premium pricing. So you choose firm, bright red strawberries. Avoid overly soft and moldy ones. Buy early in the morning for fresher supply. Don't wash at the market. Wait till you get home. There's a need for it to undergo proper washing. Okay, so you use vinegar and baking soda. That's option 1. Add white vinegar and baking soda to water. Then option 2 is to simply wash with salt. This is simple and effective. So you just add salt to water. Remove damaged strawberries. Place strawberries in the solution. Soak for 10 minutes. Pour out dirty water. Replace with clean water, rinse again, transfer to a colander and allow water to drain completely. This step is very important. Water is the enemy of storage, so do not rush this process. You repeat the process for the other carton. And as you can see, I did not remove the green parts, the green leafy tops of these strawberries. Okay, they are called calyx. Aside the fact that they are edible, they are packed with nutrients and health benefits. So rather than throwing them away, you can blend together in your smoothie. You can use them in your teas. You can garnish your salads with it if you are comfortable with it. You can as well infuse in water for a refreshing drink. Mostly I blend in the smoothie. Now for storage, container sizes matter. Small containers for quick snacks, then you have medium containers for either smoothies or baking. For large containers, you use large containers when you have batch cooking, batch baking, smoothies you want to make in batch, okay, and then you freeze, batch freezing. For refrigerator storage, you can line the container with paper towel, add strawberries in a single layer, cover loosely, and it lasts up to 5 to 7 days. For freezer storage, which is long term, you can spread the strawberries on tray, freeze individually first, very important, then transfer to airtight containers or freezer bags, and it can last up to 6 months or even a year. This way, even when strawberries disappear from the market, they are still living comfortably in your freezer. If you freeze directly like this in the Ziploc bags, like so, you will find it difficult to bring out strawberries singly when you need them because they will all be frozen into blocks that will be difficult to break except you bring it out to thaw a little. That's why, as I mentioned earlier, spread the strawberries on a tray, freeze individually first, then transfer to airtight containers or freezer bags. Here are some health benefits of strawberries. Rich in vitamin C, boost immunity, great for heart health, high in antioxidants, supports glowing skin. And there are different ways you can use your strawberries. You can use them for smoothies, oatmeal toppings, yogurt parfait, for baking, cakes, muffins and the like, homemade strawberry syrup, fruit salads, ice pops. When you store well, strawberries stop being a seasonal luxury and become an everyday ingredient. If you find this useful, like this video, drop a comment, tell me how you use strawberries, share with someone who loves fruits, and subscribe to my channel for more smart food tips, storage hacks, and healthy living ideas. Until next time, enjoy your strawberries, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.